Okay, welcome. This is our first lesson on the ICT Starters Next Step Stage 1, and we're looking at the first skill, which is adding, changing and moving text. Okay, so let's have a look at the main requirements of today. So by the end of this lesson, you should be able to identify the cursor, add text, delete text, select a word, a sentence, and be able to move that word or sentence within the document. Okay, so let's have a look at a document here. Here we just have some sentences here, some jokes. You're welcome to have a read of them. How do all the oceans say hello to each other? They wave. Okay, so first of all, we're going to look at the cursor. Wherever the cursor is, you will see it flashing. I can click my mouse and move the cursor anywhere. I can move it at the end of a sentence and add text here. To delete the words or the letters, you will see the backspace on the keyboard, which we've identified earlier. You hit the backspace and it will delete each letter. Okay. Again, with the cursor, we can move the cursor in the middle of a sentence, and we can also type a word in here. If we want to get rid of it, we then use the backspace like so to get rid of the letters and the word. Okay, now to select a single word, what we can do is we can double click. So if we want to select the word cheese, I double click. Now let's say I want to move this word cheese in the middle of gummy bear. I can click on the word cheese while it's highlighted and drag it, and you can see that cursor's moving to where I want to add the word, and I let go and you can see it is moved. Okay, now let's try and move a whole sentence. This time we're not going to move just one word but a whole sentence. So I'm going to highlight, click and drag my mouse for the whole sentence, and you can see it is now highlighted. I do exactly the same as one word. I click anywhere on this highlight and I drag my mouse to where I want it to be. If I want it to be the end here, I click and I let go, and you can see it is at the end. Now, if I want to bring this now down, further down to the next line, I hit the enter button and it will move this joke to the next line. And if I want to bring this one up, I move my cursor to the beginning, I hit my backspace and it will move it up like so. Okay, so now what you're going to be doing, today's activity, you'll be going to turn to page 9. You're going to be doing activity 1.1 to 1.4. Now to access the files, the Holiday Memories document, we click on our File Explorer here. We go to our documents, and you have created in the last lesson a folder called P5 with your name. Now we're going to double click the left mouse button to open up that folder, and you'll see primary 5 files. We double click again on primary 5 files and we have some more folders here. Now we're today looking at documents. So we're going to double click on the exploring document source files. And now we're going to open up the Holiday Memories. Find your Holiday Memories, double click, and you will see it appear like this. Now when you have this open, excellent. You can now turn to page 9 and answer activity 1.1 to 1.4. Okay, that is the end of today's video. Thank you very much.